Alright friends, so we have managed to save the coils. Fine people, let's see it. Yep, that's it. No sparks or nothing. Beautiful. From the drill driver that we use it in a DC motor. And now we are back to the circular saw. We have removed the old, as you can see here, burnout wires that was inside the stator, and we're gonna try to replace it with this one from the corded drill. We will see if it's gonna be enough or if it's gonna work at all. We will see. All right, so stay tuned. We are nearly done with the remodeling of the new stator. Nearly 110 turns each coil. Alright, so we're gonna proceed to the next thing. Alright folks, we're nearly done with the stator. We have managed to put the brand new coils back. We're gonna do the assembly and the test soon enough. Okay friends, we're gonna do the reassembly of the circular saw. Inserting the stator back into the casing.
Uite, fii atent. Acum, vezi, asta are niște ghidaje aici, da? Hai, intră în ghidaje. Ai văzut?
Am văzut.
Și asta când vine se prinde pe ghinturile de astea. Acum trebuie să intre aici. E bine. intrat cum trebuie.
Alright friends, on the final push, the last ending cap, and then we're gonna put the bastard thing to the test to see if it's back to life or is dead as a bastard thing. That's it friends, we have managed to make the charcoals back into position. Now the final cap and the final test. As you can see, this one looks like it's been through a lot. It was nearly dead. Put it in a plastic bag, but we have revived it and now it's good to go. Let's make a test. What do you think? Is gonna work or not? Let's see, mister. We're gonna do the test. Fingers crossed, my friends, and then fire in the hole. Maybe. Oh, as always, the cable is unplugged. We got no power. As I always say, got no skills as well, but we are learning. Years after years after years, we're getting better and better, and we find people. Let's see it. Yep. That's it. No sparks, no nothing. Good as hell. As you can see friends, we are back in business. We have revived the bastard thing. We're gonna put it to the actual test. We're gonna cut some pellets someday. In the meanwhile, thanks all for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next episode. You are next, pal.